Hi everyone, I am Naveed Saeed. I am going to discuss my proposed solution in context of managing AI products, that is AI-powered resume screening. HR teams spend excessive time reviewing resumes manually, leading to slow hiring processes and potential biases. The problem we are addressing is the inefficiency and subjectivity in traditional resume screening. Our solution is designed to revolutionize recruitment processes by automating resume evaluations, improving efficiency, and reducing bias. We will implement cross-industry standard process for data mining methodology, as this framework ensures a structured, iterative and business-driven approach to AI development. For better business understanding, we will first focus on the problem statement and the goal of the proposed solution. For this sake, we will gather information from experts and explore various factors that can be considered for factors engineering. The primary goal of our AI-powered resume screening system is to automate candidate selection while ensuring fairness and high-quality hiring decisions. The AI model will analyze resumes, assess candidates based on job fit, and rank them accordingly. We will measure success through key business impact metrics: a 40% reduction in hiring time, a 30% improvement in successful hires, and a measurable reduction in hiring bias. Key factors in our model include candidate skills, experience, education, industry trends, and historical hiring patterns. Our target users are recruiting and HR teams. The primary goal of our AI-powered resume screening system is to automate candidate selection while ensuring fairness and high-quality hiring decisions. The AI model will analyze resumes, assess candidates based on job fit, and rank them accordingly. This will help cost savings, revenue boost, and high ROI. We will measure success through key business impact metrics: a 40% reduction in hiring time, a 30% improvement in successful hires, and a measurable reduction in hiring bias. In our current scenario, the process is being performed manually. Key factors in our model include candidate skills, experience, education, industry trends, and historical hiring patterns. These are initial features, with some examples and purpose for consideration of resume screenings. As we collect the history data, we will also collect the results of the candidate's hiring process as well. We move to data understanding stage, where we plan to split data that can be used for training, validation as well as for testing. So we split the overall data for these purposes. Then we focus on choosing the relevant features that our model will use for training, validation and testing. Then we will prepare data for modeling purpose that will require us to encode, label, standardize our data. Data collection is a crucial step in AI model development. Our system will aggregate data from multiple sources, including resumes in various formats, job descriptions from HR databases, candidate outcomes, and recruiter feedback. To ensure high-quality inputs, we will perform data cleaning, removing duplicates, standardizing formats, and anonymizing sensitive information. We will also apply bias checks to ensure diversity in training data, balance class distribution, and prevent data leakage. We will split data for training and testing. The proportion will 85-15, and the training data will be further split for validation set being used to validate learning and fine-tuning of the model. This will be a split of 70-15%. To prepare the data for modeling, we will focus on reducing the bias within the classes to ensure equal set of samples be considered while training the model, and no previous biases in the data are injected into the learning through data leakage, and the data has diversity for factors like age, gender and location. In modeling stage, we will evaluate different algorithms through cross-validation. This will be done using our training data. Each of these models will require documentation and versioning, so we have detailed information on the model selection, data used for the model validation. We will also perform optimization through variation of hyperparameters to tune the model and see the best possible scenarios, and go with ray training the model where required. Our AI system is designed with 3 key decisions in mind. Our model type will be a hybrid of NLP and deep learning to extract meaningful insights from resumes. Our model will be trained offline. We can train the model more frequently, like every week, with continuous feedback to adapt to hiring trends. Deployment strategy: a cloud-based API integrated with applicant tracking systems, ATS, for scalability and security. Evaluation of the model is a critical stage to ensure the model is performing well on test data. The interpretation of outputs and performance are to an acceptable extent. We will also user unit testing and integration testing within the team and then by the end users. To ensure our solution is effective, we will conduct multiple validation steps. We will first develop a baseline model trained on historical hiring data. Then we will perform pilot testing with HR professionals to compare AI versus human decisions, so we can get user feedback and confidence. We will also perform bias audits to ensure fair decision making. Based on the feedback, we will focus to integrate feedback to continuously improve the model. Though we are not initially considering A/B testing, but we may try different versions of data and models to compare and deploy the most effective. Once the model qualifies the evaluation and gives results to a satisfactory level, we focus to deploy the model on production server. We will do the versioning for the model with the PIs and integrations with the other systems. As in our case we use cloud-based deployment, we ensure that the deployment platform provides security and provision of scaling. One important factor is that once the model is deployed, we are in a continuous process of model performance monitoring and perform the model retraining after a certain time, where our model needs to learn on the new trends of the market and best practices considerations to ensure that the drifting aspects are taken care of. Deploying AI in a real-world hiring environment comes with challenges. To address training serving skew, we will continuously monitor model performance and recalibrate it as needed. We will retrain models periodically to account for evolving job market trends and mitigate data drift. Bias issues will be actively managed through fairness-aware training, and cloud-based acceleration will ensure real-time response times. We look forward to implement this model. We will start by developing an interactive prototype. We will refine this model through real-world feedback. For this sake, we will engage our target users, the HR team, for final validation.